Okay. Ooh. Finally, this one is grind by weight. I bought this one because weighing beans and all that, it takes a lot of time. So yeah. Oh, wow, it's so heavy. It's all metal. Look at this baby. So cute. Look at this. Oh, can you see this? I spent extra $100 to get this white color with this wood design. But I don't think this is a real wood. It's not aluminum. This is magnet. Okay, I think this is aluminum. The white part is aluminum. I think this plastic. When you buy this, make sure you're buying the Sense version. It's called AllGround Sense, but there is cheaper model that's just grind by time, but this is grind by weight. Oh, I think this is for. This is manual, and this is a dosing cup. Ooh. Right, this little door. And 짜잔. Oh, moka pot. Oh, now it filter, it changes. I'm going to brew espresso. Oh. Even though the portafilter fits well, I recommend using the dosing cup if you don't want to mess up, because if the ground beans spills out of the portafilter, it'll never stop grinding. So I recommend using dosing cup if you don't want to waste your beans. And cleaning part is very easy. Remove the hopper, and as you can see, you can just remove these parts very easily, and you can remove flat burr. You can use a vacuum and clean it out. So overall, I'm very satisfied with this purchase. So I highly recommend this Fiorenzato AllGround Sense grind by weight. I highly recommend. And as you can see here, the grind by weight is very accurate, and espresso tastes a lot better than using built-in Breville grinder. So I'm happy, and hope this video was helpful, and have a great day. Bye bye.